Good morning, welcome to the channel. As you can see, we are most definitely somewhere different. We're not in England, we're not in London, we're not in Luton, but it's a little bit colder, but the views are absolutely beautiful. And I'm here for like a retreat, reset, recharge, all vegan. Not 100% vegan, it's vegetarian also. So yeah, come with me, let's go check it out. Guys, we just had some breakfast, just had some sweet pancakes and some scrambled tofu. Very fibrous, very nutritious, feeling very healthy.
And here comes mine.
Here comes some more pancake. Yeah, I've got some pancakes, and then literally everyone else has ordered pancakes. You can see, man, I've also got pancakes.
Oh yeah, this is that. Thank you very much. Feels like sugar or something.
Green tea.
Right.
And if you like herbs, it's like chamomile, rosemary, rooibos. Is
So what is this?
This is like candy sugar. I don't know. It's like sugar. It's
Okay, so it'll melt.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
okay.
melt inside. It's really nice. It's like a little bit
All of
of
that?
caramel taste.
All of the milk, all of this?
Yeah, maybe it's kind of sweet.
For
maybe
me,
it's
it is.
more,
That'd be alright.
Yeah.
Okay. I was about to say.
Yeah. You can maybe.
A nice, freshly homebrewed tea.
Flexer by my regularly.
Where's the lighting gone? Sheesh. There we go. Just finished breakfast, just heading back to the apartment now. And we are gonna have a little rest, empty our bowels because we're feeling very full, very fibrous. And we're on a detox, guys. So yeah, gonna hit the gym, maybe the spa, who knows. So we just stopped off to get some refreshments. The local spa is literally like a 5-minute bike ride from the hotel. We're gonna cycle back now, back down that way. We are gonna quickly put these back because they need to be charged. So then maybe we can use them for later or tomorrow go for a bike ride. So the sun's decided to come out. It's absolutely glorious out here. I mean, it's up in the clouds there, but it's like 19 degrees. This morning we saw the fog, saw the clouds, and thought, weather's looking a bit, but yeah, it's beautiful, man. Gonna unpack quickly, and then I am gonna head out to the spa and the gym. Not sure which order I'm gonna do it in yet. As I'm feeling quite tired. The flight was a very early flight, probably slept for about 2 hours, left Luton at 3 AM. Got to Stansted around 4, and then I literally haven't slept. I couldn't sleep last night. There's a weird dripping noise coming from somewhere in the roof. I thought there was something in the house, but yeah, it's just an awful night's sleep. So, but that's why we're here, rest and recovery. So yeah, let's go get ready. So guys, I'm in the gym, 2-minute walk from the hotel, and we are gonna do a quick chest session. Let's get it in. Done a little bit of chest, gonna hit the showers, and then I'll see you at the swimming pool. So we're gonna go grab Ebbs and then head to the swimming pool. It's pretty sick. Got the robes, got the towel, got the Crocs. Right, Ebbs is literally just in the apartment here. Yes, bro. House cleaning. Clean sheets.
Yo, what's going on?
Let's go. Alright, see you at the swimming pool. Show you the swimming pool quickly. I've never seen a swimming pool with metal, like, I don't know what it's made of, aluminium, steel, but the whole swimming pool is metal, shiny, crazy man, so refreshing. Gonna do a few laps and then may check out the sauna, but yeah, really resting, recovery. Close, we walked across the road. This is the sauna opposite the hotel. I don't know what the ice is for, but it's refreshing. Right, so basically I can't take the camera into the actual sauna. We'll do 10 minutes in the sauna and then we'll see you outside on the lake when I take a dip. Peace.
He said he gonna take some dip. Yo, did it?
Just come out of the sauna, so refreshing. It's probably about 16 degrees outside and we're gonna jump in the lake. There's actually loads of fish in here. Jesus, there's fucking millions of little fish. But you know what, I'm actually shook, man. There's bear fish in there. Alright, let's do this.
10. Bro. Look. 2 fishes come up.
Bob! Ross! Hey! He's gone! Oh my days!
Jesus!
Yo!
Sweet!
Woo!
Now, Bridget. Yeah, run to my chops and that's it. It's not breathing, bro. It's cold. He's back in.
Breathe slower, breathe slower, breathe slower. Yes, Johnny. Shoulders, shoulders, go on, shoulders. A bit lower. Go on. Yes. Man's opening them chakras, boy.
And then when you keep
Are you filming?
do it
Yeah,
here.
filming, yeah.
So just like breathe, like, and then after, by the time you get here, do deep breaths. Do what I was doing. Keep breathing.
Bro, this is a different therapy, you know. Right, so that was probably one of the most intense experiences ever. I can't even explain how hot my feet and they're so cold, my feet and my legs, that it's actually burning. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, I spent about a minute in there, did it twice. It's not that cold out here, but I'm absolutely freezing. I'm gonna jump back in the sauna for about 10 minutes, warm up the shackles, and then try and find some food. So yeah, this is probably my favourite part of the trip so far. Proper liberating, feel alive, and man, this is a dope experience. Like, especially as a black man, this is definitely not something that's ever on my bucket list or something I would never ever put on an itinerary. Getting in cold ass lake water, but we've done it. And we love it. Name me one vegan food or ingredient that is overrated.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, overrated?
I don't fuck with it all the time.
Swear. You got one, Johnny? Name one vegan food or ingredient that you think is overrated.
Gnocchi.
Yes, 100%.
It depends, yeah.
100%. Will, name one vegan food or ingredient that you think is overrated. Don't you? Anyone says plantain, I'm fighting.
Carrots.
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 That's a random one.
Carrots.
Oh,
You don't like carrots?
Of all the things,
no, I
carrot.
like it, but it can be overhyped.
Now you know what? I've changed my.
Ooh, actually, what about hummus?
Hummus, okay.
Being
Ooh,
overrated.
chickpeas, everything.
Yeah,
Zucchini.
I like it, but I think
It's
it's a bit
overrated.
overhyped. Yeah.
But one ingredient, vegan ingredient, I think is way overrated. Nutritional yeast.
What?
Spin it.
Hey.
Dead it.
I was gonna say the same thing. I was gonna say the same thing.
Get rid of it, man.
My other. What was it?
Our ingredient.
One
What's
vegan
overrated?
Food. One overrated vegan food.
One overrated food is beans. Beans.
You don't like beans?
Baked beans.
Beans.
No, it's just beans.
What,
Yeah,
beans
beans
at all?
in general.
Kidney beans.
Beans.
All of that.
Nah,
Okay, yeah.
There's no rice and peas. There's no white in Nigeria. Wait,
Beans.
CPs.
I don't know. I
That's a
don't know.
bit racist, you know.
I got Mongol beans, bro. Okay, take it back.
Right, so we are back at the restaurant. We're about to get some food. Everyone's absolutely starving. We haven't eaten since lunchtime, so we're walking to the restaurant now. Gonna grab a quick seat. So this is course number 1, salad of the day. Quick taste test.
You haven't taken a photo in all that sort of.
I need food.
Can that see it in the plate?
Okay, so I'm not sure about these flowers. Are these edible?
Let's see.
Oof.
Spicy. Oh. Yeah, I'm not eating it. That's okay.
Excuse me, the flowers, are they edible?
Yes.
Oh, they are, okay.
It's I don't know the English word for it.
Very
It's
sharp.
It's super sharp.
Let's be paying me for this.
That might be tasting different though.
This one can't.
I was gonna say, it's yellow. You got off lightly. So the second course is a pumpkin cream soup. Quick taste test. Tastes like peanut butter. Different.
That's sweet.
It's different. What's it got in there? Roasted pumpkin seeds, dried apricots. Yeah, man, I give that a strong 7 out of 10. I say part 2, the most underrated vegan food or ingredient for me is mushrooms. Most definitely. That's for me anyway. People need to eat more flipping mushrooms.
Most underrated ingredient that people don't use. I believe it's tempeh.
Yep.
Tempeh. Everyone uses tofu. There are far more
health benefits to using tempeh. It's like the tofu's fermented cousin.
These are.
Yeah, I would have said mushrooms. But someone took mine. But it is definitely mushrooms. But do you know what, actually? Fennel.
Fennel.
Yeah, a lot of people don't mess with that, and you could do a lot of things with that. Fennel oil is beautiful. I love fennel. I love the other seed. It just gives it a different. No, not fennel seeds. Fennel is as
The actual
as a
root
whole.
vegetable. Yeah, I was gonna say. Fennel is a flavour.
You make that into an oil. It's beautiful, man. But yeah, that's about it, really.
Oh, that's definitely underrated. Carl.
I know amongst the Caribbean and African people, we all know, but I think generally, I think plantain should be something that's on all menus, no matter where you go. So that's just my view.
That's good shot. Get you as well.
Yeah.
What you got there?
Was it?
Millet almond patties.
What's it called on the menu? Like the
Gifts of the earth.
Gifts of the Earth. Let's get stuck in.
Cheeky little taste test, mate. Good.
Liking it.
What are we saying?
Well, wherever that cream is, the cashew,
Yeah.
bangs.
Seriously. We have gifts. No, back to the roots. Cauliflower, bulgur strudel, broccoli, and some type of cauliflower sauce. Yeah, that's that. Boy, that's all right. That's a strong 8.9 for me. Easy. Chocolate cake, hazelnut ice cream. Yeah. That's them.
Concentrate.
So we've been to the gym, we went swimming, went to the spa, we swam in the lake. All while, went to the shop.
And guess what I've done?
This guy fell off the bike.
My knee still hurts.
all while Will's been sleeping.
I've been finished.
Will took rest and recovery too far. Oh shit.
How did that happen?
His drone.
What did I think
It was like, the drone was like, it was like, it was like head to head, and it hit like stopping a bit. And it stopped once, and he was car behind me, so I was like, I pressed my brake, I pressed it too much. You see the clip I sent from the Redman video? That's what I felt like.
I was just trying to work out how you can crash a bike when there's nothing around you. Guys, I'm back in the apartment. Gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.